low speed. Okay, I'll say about 24 CFM or so on low speed. And on high speed, I'll say about 34.4 CFM. I want to point out that all the filters are out. And let's do low speed first. Okay, I'm going to say about 27.2 CFM. Let's go to high speed. All right. High speed, we peaked out at 38 CFM, pretty much dead. Low speed, all filters in. Okay, I'll call it there. And that gives us about 18 CFM. All right, now high speed. I'll call it there, and we are at a usable nozzle end of 26.2 CFM. Right, all filters in at the nozzle end. Let's see what we get. Low speed first. High speed. How about some particle tests? Here's the setup right here, and let's run it on high. Okay, I was certainly expecting a little bit better than that because it's got an exhaust filter that looks like this. But maybe it just doesn't do all that well. Just for reference, I'm going to rerun these particle tests with the exhaust filter removed. So I was wondering if this filter was really doing its job, and it is. It's just that I wish it was doing a little bit better, because it looks like it is constructed that maybe it could have a little better performance, but in the end, nah, it was just mediocre, to be honest with you. All right, here we go. Got some dog food, some rice, and some oats. Anybody remember how the dog food fared when I used this GMO with it? Okay, let's see if there's any difference with this. This is a completely different design. All right, there's high speed. Yeah, picked that up perfectly fine. Yep, clean sweep. And not a problem. Look at that. A cyclone in your hand. All right, let's see what works here. We have this upholstery tool and the multi-function crevice tool. Let's see what happens. I'm going to try this on low, and if it's not powerful enough, I'll run it on high. All right, here we go. Well, that's pretty good. It just left a little bit, but again, it's on low. Now it's on high. Yeah, high works a little bit better, but low wasn't that bad. If you need extra time, you could leave it on low. Okay, now here's baking soda. Running it on low. Well, that's almost perfect. Just a little spot left here. Yeah, it easily got that up. Okay, back down to, you know what? How about I change over to this? Okay, now I'm still on low. Well, that was easy. No need for high speed for that. And same thing for the larger particles. So it seems like for the smaller particles, running it on low is just fine, and for the finer dust, like say baking soda or sand for example, you could run it on high. It's pretty easy to empty. Push the button, and everything more or less falls out. And I'll show you one other fun thing. So this unit has so much native suction, and it is so lightweight, it can literally hold on to itself. So if you're interested in this type of a product, I recommend you check out this APOSEN. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.